Okay, I'll call you back this weekend, Dit. Okay, see you, Jerry. Bye-bye. Well, there we go. We are looking at an empty coal train, 3 aces. I'm chasing skeeters off my arm. He had a 10-mile-an-hour speed limit leaving the yard, so here he comes. Ooh, there we go. In focus. If you hear weird noises or me jumping around, it's the mosquitoes are getting thick, and I didn't bring any off with me because this was a happy accident. Oh, look at that. That's just pretty. Maybe they'll see me out here and I can wave. We'll see. Trio of aces, 2 in front, 4 in rear. Back in focus, come on. Can't zoom in with this light, sorry. Got a yellow flashing light down there on the main. Got speed restriction for some reason. He did not blow his horns. That's strange. All skeeter bugs. Another ace on the rear there. Skeeter bug biting my back really bad. Can't get it. Sorry. There's the rear. There we have it, in and out of focus, sunset in the sky, there he goes. That would be why we lost focus. Here we are.